Hey, Natalie with Natalie Destiny Wellness. Now, we all know every family has these plastic bags, right? So, a hack, if you're juicing, you can stick this plastic bag inside the container that holds the pulp, like this. If you happen to have the Juice Man, or any other juicer, stick it in there, and then when you're done, you just take it out with the pulp, throw it in the trash. So, today, we are doing kale, carrots, and apples, and celery, and ginger. So it's good for building your immune system, for better skin, and just to feel a lot more energy. So if you want the recipe, you can click the link below, and I will get that to you. All right, happy juicing, here we go. It's kind of loud, but you know, it's all good. Okay, so here is the cleanup. That's the pulp. It's so easy. You just take it out to the container. Mine looks like this. Don't have to clean it because it's clean already. And you just throw it in trash can. Easy peasy and done. That is the hack. Drink my juice, feeling amazing. Happy Sunday.